Hello friends, in this video you will learn about lists in HTML. There are two types of lists. One is order list, another one is unordered list. To get the details of this list, here is the example HTML file. In this see, here is the details of lists in HTML. First order list. See, to get the order list, we need to know about two elements. One is OL element, another one is LI element. OL is the to make order list we using OL order list. The list details. Those are sys items. These are list items. These are A, B like image. This. Here is one more thing also there. Type. We can make this order with numbers 1 and lowercase characters, uppercase characters, lowercase Roman numbers, uppercase Roman numbers like that. Then comes to the unordered lists. In this, you know about this element UL. UL is the unordered list. In this, the same way, list details LI is the list. Then see this style equal to list style type because the unordered list defaultly those are pointing with the bullets. Then you want to make the change, you can put this place with values like circle, square and none. Defaultly this is disk, bullets, pointing with the bullets. See how is this file on the website, web page. See here is the details of lists in HTML. In this, see this is the types is 1. That's why this is pointing 1, 2, 3. See change with the A. See this A, B, C. Then capital A, B, C. Then smaller Roman numbers 1, 2, 3. Then capital 1, 2, 3 like this. In this list you can use images like this. I am using one image. Third item is image. Like it is in the folder images park.jpg. So alternate value park. Then comes to the unordered list. In this see style list style type, it is not. Defaultly those are bullets. Nothing but disk. Defaultly this is bullets with the disk and change it with a circle. See this. So change it to the circles. Then square. These are become squares. If you don't want to point with any one, then you can use none. Then there is no pointing is there. This is the details about lists in HTML. We can do much more things with using style, but in this video we didn't use much more styles with the CSS, but we will learn in upcoming videos. Up to now, happy to see you. Thanks for watching.